daytime footage. Hopefully it'll look a little bit better. Hopefully I can fly the drone around to get the stuff done.
Authorizing drop order. Go, go, go!
It would have been such perfect timing if Hyra pulled in the second you jumped out of the airplane. Stop jinxing it, bro. There's the play. Damn.
I don't have a gun, dude. What do you want me to do?
The roll out has begun. Howard lost his signature red Vans, now he's back to.
Check it out.
What? Oh my! Look at that. He's got white on white and white on white. Where's our fifth character at? There she is.
Hey, hey, hey! I need to like look alive here.
You gotta get those wings fire. I'm gonna go fly the drone out really. Hey, you can fly drones here, right? Okay.
What kind of drugs are you looking for?
No drone. I'm flying a drone. Did you say that I was gonna go fly my drugs?
I thought you said.
Are you done with the drone?
Fly my drugs. Yeah, I'm done. I'm gonna go fly my drugs, guys. What up, Pico Copter? We're going through a little bit of a crisis here because Iron decided to rent a pocket-sized backpack.
We gotta put Pico's down first.
Pockets.
Pico's the biggest.
Pico's is the biggest. So
Once you're gonna put
it first.
Pico brought the biggest fucking.
Pico bought
the cargo areas.
Pico brought a fucking suitcase for
Pico, I don't want to break it.
compressor.
Jay, it'll do it sideways. Jay, gotta put it sideways. Sideways, Joe.
Dumbass fucking wheels.
Joe, sideways.
You want me to cut them off with the sawzall?
You got a sawzall with you?
Yeah, it's in my bag.
Sick.
Yeah, Pico, we got it.
Well, I'm filming. What do you want me to do?
Yeah, I asked you to fucking help me move out, and what'd you do? Film.
Yeah. I mean, what else did you want me to do? You guys got to realize that
Sorry,
this isn't gonna fit at all.
Yeah, we don't need a rear mirror.
My sawzall's in there. Party groups. Jesus, man. I go with my
can always
toothbrush.
Telling you right now, this is not gonna fit.
Can you shut up?
Okay.
Thick?
That's good. Forgot I had this. You eat it now. It's
good, dude. Great. Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, you guys can go in a minute.
Bags right up here.
This is gonna suck, like really badly.
Whose fucking jacket's that?
It's not gonna be funny. There's no way. Oh my goodness. That's all that matters.
Thanks, Bill.
You know what? This is worse than the airplane ride. Move. I had this lady next to me that left her legs like this, and she had like 18 blankets and 4 pillows, but she was like super nice. So like I was sitting there like this, and then this old ass dude comes sits next to me, doesn't speak a lick of English, and he just puts his hat down on his head and just goes to sleep like this. So I'm like sitting here like this, and I gotta pee and I can't get up because the guy doesn't speak English and he's sleeping. So I finally moved.
This is a pretty long story, dude.
Some of you are really pale in that fucking video.
You pale as
Scylla just came back from the city, now she's going back to the city. And
Who hit you with a bat?
and are we just going straight to the hotel at this point? We can just drop our bags off so our doesn't get f***ing stolen. We can drop our car off at the hotel along with our shit.
I want to go to the hotel and be with you.
We're not like that at all. We don't need to stop every.
So we just, and then like this, they gave me this look.
How mad was
like,
Juan?
And then Shauna was like the only one getting food. I was like, we just got food back there, and she's like, well, I'm hungry. I'm like, all right, well, you're holding up the whole crew.
He was actually going to try to install a backpack inside his eyeball.
Oh, is that when you were going to put the snow cone in the sidewalk?
With whom you wish to speak, enter it now.
I've been in this car for like 17 hours since Newburgh. You guys good back there? Who has the blood clot?
Pancreatic. We got pancreatic.
Did they get the time? Police can't even get through.
Not a cop. Oh, f you.
What?
There's a hydrant and it's all parking on the side.
Yo, Times Square. are the sights and sounds of Times Square. The smell of piss has never been that bad. Oh, dude, look at this bus. They like sit sideways. Oh, we about to get wrecked in 4 seconds.
As we go on,
Idiot, what are you doing?
Silly, you good?
The big boys here.
We took 3 hours to get to our hotel. We found it. You can slide down the pole. You like sliding down the pole, right?
I have like 7 blood clots right now.
Alright, put your camera away. You guys are gonna run out.
Damn.
You guys gotta get out of the car.
Yeah, I know. I'm ready.
Oh wait, you get out.
How much is the rate?
Up to a half hour, 12.67.
13 for 24 hours.
Parking in New York is.
Get out now.
Hira said put the camera away.
That's so cool. It's like a vending machine. You just came out of an elevator. Right there. That took
Literally out here.
That was
Literally out here.
the most difficult car ride ever. And now it's freaking freezing.
Imagine
Joe doesn't have his
doing it twice.
Joe doesn't have his play. Priscilla's a soldier. She did that twice.
I gotta pee so bad.
In the back.
We'll check here, you check in.
Alright. I think I lost everyone. Where's Jose and Hiro?
What room is it?
Oh, 703.
703.
Touch food all day.
You take a nap?
Yeah, and drop ass.
You just slept.
I didn't sleep anywhere.
You were next to me snoring.
I was sitting in the front of the car actually. Wait till you see this room, man. We're gonna see the Twin Towers from the view. Zippity doo dah, zippity day.
Literally hit all these buttons.
2 days with Joe.
Move for a second.
It was Priscilla.
It was Priscilla that hit. Oh, it was Priscilla. Every fucking.
I didn't mean to do that. I didn't know there was a button on this side.
Where's the closest Times Square Walmart at?
There is no Walmart in New York.
I'm pretty sure there's a Walmart in New York.
New York City?
Oh, I'm into the city. Second New York City gets a Walmart. That's game over, yeah. What's the view looking like?
Good view.
A wall. Wow. That is just...
It's a really nice wall.
Yikes, there's a Flanagan's right now. It's literally... Wow, Flanagan. Oh, Flanagan's.
Literally right there.
Switching over to wide angle. Because it's way easier to carry one of these things than an entire f***ing rig. Where the hell are we going?
The Whiskey Brooklyn.
That name already kind of gives me a headache. There's one. Oh, complimentary breakfast, lunch, and dinner. What's you're gonna live your best life. That's all it is.
Oh God, here we go. We're going a whole day without being video recorded.
Address we're going to, because I don't know.
So are you going?
At $64.
$64. The
You're either part of the weak or part of the strong.
Damn! What the fuck is this guy doing? Dude, it's cold as
I can't feel his nipples right now.
I'm back in the city. We survived. Jose, where you at?
My wallet.
Forgot your wallet? Huh?
It's my phone.
What'd you lose? I got it. Thank you.
It's okay, but I'm sorry.
Look at that view, man. So that was a close one. Jose almost lost his phone in the Uber. Jose left his phone in the Uber.
Get it?
Yeah, like last second, but
Jose's fucked.
no, he would have been.
Let's get you up to the fucking room.
Like a light. Here we go, home sweet home. So we're going to the pub across the street. I'm just gonna test the bed really quick to make sure it's still comfy. What are you talking about, dude? I'm just gonna test the bed really quick to make sure that it's still as comfy as it was before, because you know how beds are, they deflate, they inflate. You ready to go out again? If you had $1 million right now, what would be the first thing you buy?
Bottle of water.
Hyro, if you want $1 million right now, what would be the first thing you buy?
I'll buy you a new pair of shoes.
Is Jose's jacket inside out?
Yes. It is. Bro, as soon as I got into it. Bro, trust me, I know.
I'm gonna just test this bed really quick to make sure it's still as comfy as it was before.
Check it.